Elam Stoltzfus called me up to do this movie, I was extremely excited. It's been the story of not just my life, but the people before me. I'm a fourth-generation native Floridian. I'm a son of a Florida farmer, and all our neighbors were either farmers or cattlemen. It's an epic story, and I'm really happy that Elam invited me on it because I could express some of the history and heritage of my own family. As a songwriter, I've always been a song collector. I've collected fiddle tunes, I've collected folk tunes, cowboy tunes, all my life. So when I went into this arrangement with Elam, I told him I would compose songs that were made up of all the songs of our heritage. The songs that we grew up with, familiar songs, songs people used to dance to, hoedowns, hornpipes, jigs and reels, waltzes and polkas and rags, all the songs that I was introduced to as a young man. I kind of brought them forward to the show, and that's all melted in together, including some good old cowboy songs. The art form of composing and working on a musical score like this has been very inspired by the images themselves and the storyline. The storyline's always first. Elam's captured it image by image and people's stories of the stories. So for me to make the music was a real blessing. It was easy to do. All I had to do was listen to the storyline. I employed a lot of very vintage instruments, fiddles and banjos with guitars with gut strings, old 1941 dobros, and I've got an old Martin, a 1921 Martin that we employed on this adventure. Is not only working with the great videographers and photographers, but working with my musicians. I've had the pleasure of working with John McEwen from the Nitty Gritty Dirt Band. He's played his banjo a lot on this. We had a couple other banjo players, Michael Godwin from up in St. Pete. My son Martin played bass, all the acoustic bass arrangements. And Sabrina Williams did our singing, spectacular woman. I really love what she added. My drummers and guitarists, and it's been a real pleasure working together on this and delving into the sounds of history and bringing them forth.